Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI and Your Journey as an AI Developer. What's next? Hello future AI builders. You've taken the first exciting steps into the world of artificial intelligence. You've learned the basics, understood how machines can think a little, and even written some code. Think of it like learning to drive a car. You've mastered the controls. And now it's time to talk about where you can drive it and what incredible places await. This lesson is all about what's next for AI and for you as an aspiring AI developer. Remember how we talked about teaching computers to recognize patterns, make decisions, or even predict things? We covered concepts like data, algorithms, and how to train a basic AI model. You've laid the groundwork, much like building a strong foundation for a house. Now, the exciting part is seeing the incredible structures being built on such foundations today, and understanding how you, with your coding skills, can contribute to the next generation of AI innovation. AI is no longer just in movies. Think about tools like ChatGPT that can write stories or code, or DALL-E that can create stunning images from a simple description. These aren't magic, they're advanced AI models built by developers like you. As a developer, you're not just a user of these tools, but a potential creator. You'll be the one teaching these digital assistants new skills, connecting them to real-world problems, and making them even smarter. It's like having a super-powered digital assistant, and you're the engineer making it work. The AI world is constantly evolving, but some major trends are shaping its future. 1. Generative AI. AI that creates. This is AI that doesn't just analyze data but generates brand new content, text, images, music, even code. Imagine your programs being able to write parts of themselves. It's like giving your computer a paintbrush and telling it to create original art. 2. Responsible AI. Ethical and fair. Asterisk as AI becomes more powerful, ensuring it's fair, safe, and unbiased is crucial. As a developer, you'll be responsible for building AI systems that are transparent and act ethically, much like an architect designs a building to be safe and accessible for everyone. 3. AI everywhere. Ambient AI. Asterisk AI is becoming seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, often without us even noticing, in smart homes, personalized recommendations, and self-driving features. It's like an invisible, smart engine making our world more intuitive. As an AI developer, your superpower is code. While others might just use AI tools, you'll be behind the scenes, writing the instructions, designing the systems, and solving the complex problems that bring these AI innovations to life. You're not just consuming technology, you're creating it. From crafting simple Python scripts to designing sophisticated machine learning models, your coding ability is the key to unlocking the AI future. You're an architect, an engineer, and an artist all rolled into one, shaping the digital world. To thrive in this exciting future, cultivate these skills. 1. Curiosity and continuous learning. Asterisk AI changes rapidly. Always be eager to learn new techniques and tools. Think of it as always updating your developer software. 2. Problem-solving mindset. Asterisk AI is a tool to solve real-world problems. Focus on understanding challenges and how AI can be a solution. 3. Ethical thinking. Asterisk always consider the impact of the AI you build on people and society. Building powerful tools comes with great responsibility. 4. Collaboration. Asterisk AI projects are often team efforts. Learning to work with others, including non-technical experts, is vital. 5. Programming proficiency, especially Python. This is your primary language to communicate with and build AI models. The better you speak it, the more you can create. Your journey as an AI developer is just beginning. Here are concrete steps to keep moving forward. 1. Deep dive. Pick an area that excites you, maybe generative AI, computer vision, teaching computers to see, or natural language processing, understanding human language, and learn more about it. 2. Hands-on projects. The best way to learn is by doing. Start small, build simple projects, break them, fix them, and learn from every challenge. Your code doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work. And then you can make it better. 3. Join the community. Engage with other developers online or in local meetups. Share your projects, ask questions, and learn from collective wisdom. 4. Stay updated. Follow AI news, blogs, and researchers. The field is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key. 5. Keep coding. Consistent practice is the secret ingredient to becoming a proficient AI developer. Every line of code brings you closer to mastering your superpower. You are standing at the threshold of an incredibly transformative era, and as a developer, you have a unique opportunity to shape it. The world needs creative, responsible, and skilled AI developers, and that's exactly what you're becoming. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the breakthroughs, and remember that every line of code you write contributes to building a smarter, more connected future. Get ready to innovate, create, and make your mark on the world of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.